Hello. Today, Mr. Nizam from YesGo is joining with us for the Skype call. Mr. Nizam, could you please introduce yourself?
Vanakkam, Namaskar, happy morning, happy noon, happy evening to all global English viewers. First, I would like to congratulate you to be on board in English TV India, which is indeed the most popular and most watched audio-visual magazine in the print world. I do wish your foray in India proves to be a successful and everlasting voyage. Secondly, thank you Inkis for giving this excellent opportunity to address our print fraternity in this lockdown period through you. And Ingis are really doing a great effort in keeping the industry alive and kicking in the virtual world. Basically, I am a gold medalist in printing technology, having more than 22 years global experience in print and packaging, majorly as an entrepreneur and print consultant. Apart from an entrepreneur, I am experienced in designing, pre-press management, production management, application specialist, trainer, and sales management. I have a very active presence in global print events like Drupa and AP Tech Print Source. And I am an active member in most of the national printing associations and a member of few global associations like AP Tech. I am a motivational career guide speaker in most of the printing colleges, institutes, and schools in India. In this 22 years experience, I have helped more than 1000 people in placement globally. Personally, I have trained more than 800 people also in globally. Recently received a most fabulous leader in packaging award from a national congress and a leadership game changer award from MSME Chamber of Commerce and felicitated with most of the printing colleges. Currently, I am a founder, ESGO. ESGO, a place for complete practical pre-press and packaging training with high-end software like ESGO along with 100% placement assistant.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice, and it's a well explanation. And could you please tell us your name and your institution name, where you are based, and if you have branches and etc.
ESGO. See, our institute name is ESGO. I am the founder of ESGO. So it is a first time in Asia an institute will give complete practical pre-press and packaging training with high-end software like ESCO. We have branches currently in Delhi, Bangalore, and have a corporate head offices in Chennai. We planned for an inauguration in Pondicherry last month, but because of Corona impact, we postponed that inauguration also. So maybe recently we will inaugurate our office in Pondicherry, and maybe after a month we have a plan to open our office in Mumbai, and before this year end we have a plan to open our office branches in almost across all the major cities in India.
That's nice. That's nice. And how about the packaging industry in India? What is the present situation?
Good, well question. So packaging, see, you are aware that India is the fourth largest, biggest packaging in world, and more than see, there are more than 2 lakhs printing and packaging peoples are all over in India. See, for example, there are 3,000, more than 3,500 packaging companies looking for a skilled manpower, more than 3,000 to 5,000 annually. So there is a lack of skilled manpower in the industry, and there was a huge demand for that. That is also one of the reason we started ESGO. So packaging and pre-media is booming everywhere, and 10 to 12% of annual growth is getting increased in India when comparing to the other global sector.
So you are training the students for the packaging industry. Am I right?
Yeah, we are giving a training in a different category. See, in ESGO, if you need a training, there is no age bar. There is no educational criteria. A fresher can come and learn. A professional can come and learn. A non-professional can come and learn. An entrepreneur can come. So here there is a no limit. So we give practical training with less duration with 100% placement.
All these are online courses or all these are in the classroom?
We are taking, we are specialized in classroom training, we are specialized in on-site training, and we are specialized in online training. We train at your comfort zone, at your time, at your place.
Oh, that's wonderful. So you are training. How many students are at present you have?
See, we have a limited seats. Our batch is limited because it is a one-to-one training, practical training. See, in this, see, ESGO was started last year. From during its inception, in these 2 years, we have trained more than 50 plus students, and they all got complete placement globally.
Oh,
Currently, there is a batch of 3 students are studying, and those 3 are already got placement. So that is the success for ESGO.
so almost 100% success. Can you say that?
Yeah, 100% success because ESGO is 100% success with the training and placement. Our student is our global brand ambassador. See, as I said, my team strength is 5, but we never say 5 because we include our student as strength. So my student strength is more than 1,000. So my actual strength is 1,000 plus globally. And see, there are few companies, they want to recruit ESGO students from trainee to manager, which shows how ESGO service is essential for the industry. And we are specialized in custom made, tailor made training also. Some of the top packaging companies, they want students to be trained with their job description, with their job, with a NDA. So we will give training to the selected students based on their input, their job description, which is the hot cake in our portfolio.
Yeah, that's also wonderful. And I just came to know that you are a gold medalist. Is it so?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm a gold medalist in diploma of printing and 96 batch.
That's a good news.
I have won so many awards also in the educational field during my studies. I am the best student. I won a best application guy award. I won a best pre-press manager award also. As I mentioned recently, I received from a leadership game changer award from a MSME Chamber of Commerce in New Delhi in the presence of honorable ministers. And I received a most fabulous leader in packaging award from National Congress Mumbai. So I received and I got felicitated with most of the printing colleges also.
Yeah, that's a wonderful news. And I just came to know that you are tying up with ESCO, a Belgium company. Could you please tell us?
Actually, see, I want to tell a example. See, 15 the why we are giving training along with ESCO. See, 15 years before, I want to send my relative. I want to send my relative to get a high-end software training. So we have searched everywhere, not only in India. So there is no institute can see. I am talking about 15 years ago. There
Okay.
is no institute can provide high-end software training during that period. So that time itself, I started thinking of starting a training institute with high-end software like ESCO. So even you are aware that I worked in ESCO around 2003. I was the application engineer for South Asia. So I am fond of ESCO software. That time ESCO is the one and only software who supports all the most of the packaging companies. Now there are a lot of other competitors are coming up. So currently we are just giving the high-end software training like ESCO. In future there are other products, high-end softwares like hybrids, Quasar, Arden, Tilia Lab, Ultimate Imbos, um, all the others are like Heidelberg, Kodak. So all the other high-end softwares are lined up. So our future plan is we are the only institute where people can learn any high-end software. So that is the target for ESGO, and yes, we will.
And is ESCO, the Belgian company, the software is widely using in India or a few people?
Almost all the top packaging companies is using the high-end software like ESGO. Yes, it is expensive, but it's a reasonable. Yeah. So if you take, see, it is like people will say always like this: how you will evaluate a person, maybe by his popularity, by his property. So if a person who owns Lamborghini and all the other sophisticated car, they will say they are the rich. Like that, topmost packaging companies, if they want to run the work smoothly with perfection. They have high-end softwares like ESCO. That is the biggest advantage. And almost all the topmost packaging companies are having high-end software like ESCO.
Yeah, that's good. And could you please assess the post-COVID situation of this packaging industry?
Uh, well, that is the right question at the right time. See, from day one, in this pandemic period, from day one, our printers fraternity, 10% people are working and supporting in the case of making a packaging labels, sanitizer, and all the other things. Yes, it impact loss of revenue, loss of business, loss of employee, loss of manpower. But when we compare with the other sector, we are slightly on the greener side. When the other sector is not having a business, so we are having a 10% business during the lockdown, and now thank god people are 33 to 50% people are started working. So packaging is essential. Yes, there is a setback, but comparing to other sector, our printing fraternity is having a slighter green side on the other things. See, we need to accept the change, like all the dark clouds having a white shining somewhere. So we need to adapt for this type of changes, which will help us for future. Even the local people will get more opportunities. You may lose the other state people or other country people job opportunity, but that will be replaced by the local peoples. And you should prepare for your updation online, and you have to make yourself digitized. As of course, this will also pass some days. We let us pray for that also in a safer zone. So maybe 2 to 3 months. It will take some time, but we will all be back to normal.
Yeah, that's good. And I have seen some of the packaging industries, some of the bus industries in India. They made or they are making in the process of coats and beds for the patients are in quarantine, for the patients are in isolation. So they are in the process to make all these coats and beds.
Yeah, see, there are big players like SL Propack, ITC, and all the other packaging veterans. They are supporting in the case of making a tube sanitizer, tube hand wash, and there are 3D printing people. They are supplying some major spares from ventilators, and of course, almost see we have to thank to the sorry, we have to thank to COVID-19 also, because lot of innovation happened. There are a lot of corrugation bed is available from all the most of the corrugation industry people are innovated in making a corrugation bed which supports not only government, which supports in hospital, and people make a PPE mask and 3-ply mask. So that is where our packaging industry is helping, not only us, it's helping entire globally by doing a different type of support in essential pharma things.
So are you planning to establish a relation in the European countries and the US?
Of course, yes. As I mentioned earlier, I am a very active member in most of the global associations like APTEC also. See, last year I've been to Print 19, which was conducted by APTEC in US. Then I have a plan to attend ESCO World and Drupa also. Unfortunately, that was postponed. See, as I mentioned earlier, I have a global expansion plan. At 2025, ESCO wants to make their presence in global at least 5 countries, and we are looking for a global tie-up, and we are in talk with global institutes for the same.
So what's your plans?
Yeah, we are executing 2020. We want to establish all over India. Then 2021 we start with one global presence. Then 2025 we want to make it at least 5 countries. We are on the way. So 2020 we will get success on our plan all over India, either south, west, or north, or east. You can find ESCO. Already we are in 3. We are planning to be in 7 locations in India. So once that assignment is completed, then we will make our global presence from 2021 to 2025. Yes, of course. Next month we are going to complete the second year in ESCO. That time we want to announce a new project. This is the first media, and this is the news I am telling via English, that be prepared. Next month we will announce one more new project from ESCO. That is the news I am telling to the industry now.
Could you please tell us more about the news?
No, that I will tell you English, yeah, because we are working on it. So we have a plan. So we have a plan to launch it on next month during the ESGO second year celebration. So that time, see, English is the first one I am announcing this news. So which is also need to the industry. As I said, we are the only institute came up with a complete practical training with 100% practical exposure, which is needy in the industry, not only local, it is for everyone. Like the same, the new project will also be helpful for the industry. Wait for a month, we will launch that project also. That will be useful for the industry.
And best wishes for your breaking news, and we are waiting for the breaking news at all.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. And how about the market in the South Asian or Southeast Asian countries for you?
Market is booming. As I mentioned, see, in this 22 years, my global contacts made me in this level. And we are so active in Facebook and LinkedIn and social media. That is the reason we both are talking now also. So we have to thank social
Right.
media. And from day one, we are following English TV also. See, if you talk about the thing, even yesterday I received a call from a big company in Bangalore. They need a pre-press manager. And during this lockdown period also, I received more than 10 calls all over globally. So everyone need a people. Everyone need a skilled people. So that way the need is always there. And people, see, my students are working globally in Europe also. Most of my students are working in Europe. As I mentioned, my students are my global brand ambassador. So we not only teaching training in the software, we taught them team management, we taught them skill management, we taught them self-discipline, we taught them punctuality. So that help us getting more lead in a global market also. And we always keep in touch with our students and the owners. We have an open forum. There the owners can post their questions. There the owners can post their need also. Either they need manpower or either they need any technical support. So 24/7 we are supporting people not only in manpower, not only in skilled one, we are supporting in technical support also. That way ESGO supports globally and we are also growing with their support.
Yeah, thanks. And my last question, it's about your fee structure. Is it an expensive course?
Yeah, see, at ESGO, we are expensive but reasonable. We always talk about quality, not quantity. So quality has some price. For example, see, most of the packaging second generation people, they come to our institute for training. So second generation people, they will come here, they will learn from basics to advanced level. So that way, our students will get the benefits to interact with the owners, to have an opportunity to visit their factories. So that is one biggest advantage when you study in ESGO. And ESGO have an opportunity to arrange a global experts to interact with them, interact with our students, to talk about the day-to-day things, day-to-day difficulties, which motivate our students and they will get a global exposure also, what exactly happen in the industry, what exactly the industry expects from the students. Apart from this, we are contacting a seminars in major cities where our students will participate and there are people they are not able to come to Chennai or not able to come to attend a training in our other branches. So we are contacting those type of seminars. Those seminars will help people to upgrade about themselves and making themselves also to know about what is happening in the industry. And we are arranging a visiting lecturer from top level packaging companies. They will visit our institute, they will share their expertise, they will share their experience, day-to-day things and day-to-day problems to our students. That way they will be in touch with our students also and they will also hire the brightest students. And we are the institute, we provide global visits and we provide the industry visits to global top companies. Our students almost visit most of the topmost packaging companies and even a global top companies like Tetra Pak, Avery Dennison, etc. So yes, we are expensive, but we are reasonable. quality matters, not quantity.
Yeah, that's a good answer, and thank you very much for your time. And we will continue our association with YesGo.
Yeah, last but not least, once again I would like to thank to you and English TV and Mr. Martin also for all your wonderful efforts. And I want to thank to my family, and I want to thank my team. I want to thank my guru, Mr. T.P. Jain, Monotech Systems, and I want to thank my good friends, Mr. Vinod Vitapa from APTech, Mr. Jayprakash from VP Art Studio, and Mr. Veeranan Brem Kumar from ESCO, and my lovable family and my team. Thank you all. Be safe, stay safe, be productive, stay productive. Thank you.